Welcome to our annual School of Allied Health Family Day. And just so you know, you're a record-breaking crowd. We have 500 plus students and family who are representing our first-year students in 7 academic programs. So I want to thank you for being here. So what you will learn today is the who, what, where, when, and how your student is matriculating through these individual programs. You'll meet some of their faculty and their program directors. You'll learn a little bit of what they're learning in the anatomy lab, which is always kind of a big deal. You'll see where they're doing their learning, both in a sim lab, but also the classrooms in the anatomy lab, and then how this takes place.
And what we hope is that when you leave here today, that you will say, I am so happy that my child, my grandchild, my niece, my nephew, my sister, my brother chose to come to LSU Health Shreveport, because I can tell that this is a very special place.
Following Family Day, physician assistant students celebrated their white coat cloaking ceremony.
We're here to celebrate the achievement of these individuals to be accepted into the PA program and to acknowledge their commitment and dedication required to successfully complete their training.
The white coat is symbolic. It's symbolic of the public's trust that their healthcare provider has their interest at heart, and that their healthcare provider is a scientific healthcare provider. But for the students, what the white coat means to you is an obligation to honor that trust that the public will put in you. So consider this symbolic, but also a rite of passage into a profession that is the fastest growing healthcare profession in this country.